Meaning of gently.
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 Gently. Gently is an adverb that describes an action done in a soft, gradual, or delicate way. When someone does something gently, they are doing it with care and without applying too much force or pressure. For example, a person can gently stroke a baby's cheek, or a musician can play a piano piece gently to create a soothing and calming effect. The result of doing something gently is often a subtle and peaceful outcome. It can also convey a sense of respect, tenderness, and affection towards the person or thing being treated gently.